Hello aspiring video editors and filmmakers, welcome to Simplified Arena Premiere Pro's course. This course is designed to take you from beginner to advanced. We have used our over 5 years plus cumulative experience in video editing to design this course for you to help you master video editing in less than 7 hours. This course is structured in 7 chapters and we have provided all the resources and materials to help you follow along. So, in chapter 1, you are going to be introduced into Premiere Pro's user interface. You will learn how to import video clips into Premiere Pro, the Premiere Pro toolbar, how to cut and join different clips to give a free playback using the razor tool and other tools in the toolbar. Then, we will get to chapter 2, where we will learn how to use keyframes for basic object animations and the graph editor to make our animations stand out even more. You will learn how to use music beats as indicators for transitions to give rhythm and a professional touch to your work. Then we will look at how to slow down and speed up our video clips using video durations. We will conclude our chapter by making video lower thirds. Then we proceed to chapter 3, where we will be coloring our video with the assistance of our Lumetri Color and Lumetri Scopes panels. We will learn how to enhance colors and change some colors entirely in this chapter. Then we will move to chapter 4, where we will learn how to stabilize footage from shaky camera movement using Premiere Pro's warp stabilizer. We will proceed into animating some effects like the lens flare. Then we will learn how to put clips into shapes using the masking techniques. We will learn how to work with green screens. Thereafter, we will learn how to do video, slow motion and fast motion effects with time remapping. In chapter 5, we will be looking at sound design, where we will look at how to remove background noise, echoes, and even learn how to automatically control music levels with respect to voiceovers, all using the essential sound panel. In chapter 6, we will look at all types of video and audio transitions in Premiere Pro. Then we proceed to chapter 7, where you will be putting all of these together into a single MP4 video using Premiere Pro's export features and Adobe Media Encoder. And that will conclude the entire course for you. From here, you will have all what you need to become a semi-professional video editor, and further need to enhance your skills will just simply require deepening your knowledge of all what you have acquired throughout this course. That being said, see you in class.